Look what I found on my way home from United Country Power Training in Kansas City. This was in Osceola. Yeah, I think I'm going to stop and see what's inside. It's a huge selection. A really neat place on my drive back to Kansas City United Country Training. This is Osceola in Missouri. Cheese factory. I don't know about that, but that looks good. Okay, now that I've walked down, I get a basket and I go back and pick some out. Better grab something to help me down the road till I can get home and prepare a proper supper.